Okay, this is how you make a Minecraft sign if you didn't already know how to. Oh, I'm in Middle Earth. Now I will go to Mordor. Anyway, sorry, having fun with the chroma cam thing here. So that's how you make it. So I'm gonna make a sign and I'm gonna give it to myself, and then I'm gonna give me my stuff back. How do I give me my stuff? I thought it was control. Nope, shift. Okay, got my stuff back. So I got a sign and I want my turtle to put down my sign. So I'm going to give it to my turtle. Do to do, do to do. And I'm going to drive my turtle to the edge of my area that I'm talking about. Do to do, do do. And I'm going to back up one. Let's see. Let's go to my little drop a thing. Okay, select slot one. You know what? I'm going to say move back place. And let's just run that. There's my sign. Okay, so now if I go up to the sign, I can type it, Mr. Pool's awesome sleep oop, area. Oop, sheep area, skeep area, the sleep area. Sleep area. There we go. Good enough. Now I said done, and I walk up and I'm like, oh, there's your stuff right there. And hey, I'm gonna sleep, and I can't sleep because you can only sleep at night. And there's no way to sleep and make our spawn point because it's never night. Ah, I gotta turn on night, don't I? How would you ever reset your spawn point to your? I guess it doesn't matter because you can always go back there. I guess we won't worry about it now. Oh, and there's my chest over here. No, I don't have a chest. Forgot to put my chest. Move, turtle. Move. Yes, I know you're going to say, Mr. Poole, that's not what you said. You said not to drive around. I did say that. I am using programs. So with this new program, I can go to where I want to go. I need to put a chest in there. I thought I had my chest down. Run program. Beak, there's my chest. Now I got a chest. Okay. So now I can come here and judge that you are worthy of having all your stuff. Shift to put in there. Because I don't want to lose this stuff. What to do if I die? Doodly doot. And there's Mr. Pool's awesome sleep area. And there you go. Ooh, do I have a stop?